Welcome to Power BI demo channel. Today I'll go through some of the transformation you can be able to do on a Power BI. This is just a fast introduction on a ETL, which stands for extraction, transformation, and loading. And this is mostly when you're loading your Excel file or any other data to the Power BI. So you got the option to transform that data through different transformation. For example, converting data types like date to the date types and all that kind of stuff here. What you need to do, you need to go to transform data, and then you click transform data, and this will take you to all your tables. So now we are using the query editor. So this is our table. So what we need to do, we need to select which table we need to transform. So let's have a look on this sales dummy data. And one thing we might want to do, for example, we can transform this column here. And what we need to do, we can transform all those fields or the letters or the country to uppercase. So we use uppercase. So everything here is going to be on uppercase. So as you can see, we have transformed it to uppercase. In case you are not happy with that, you can always come and cancel and revert to the original format of the data source. And the good thing about this will be always recorded. So next time when you load your data, it's going to be transformed automatically because these steps, they are recorded in Power BI memory. So again, so you just need to highlight the table you want to transform. Then you click right hand side. Then you come to transform. So you can see you can also trim the data, you can clean it, all that kind of stuff. There's so much stuff you can do with it here. You can capitalize each word. For our case, because it's one country, we just need to make it uppercase, which I have done here. So again, we can come on the date table again. So what we can do, we can transform this to quarter. So we can just add that instead of having the date, we have a quarter. Transform it to the quarter. Again, we can just cancel that, and then revert to the original. So let's go to the sales price again. We can also transform that, and then we can load out the figures if we want. So all that kind of thing we can. I think we just do load up now, and you see we get the whole numbers. Again, we go back to the original state. So another important transformation you can do with your data, you can group your data by. So, and then you just summarize your data. So let's, for example, we group by country. So this sales territory region, we count and we say okay. And that is another transformation you can do. So again, we cancel it. It's also here on the top of the on the Power BI, so you can see you can also do all this transformation here. So this is one we just did it, transform by country. So we can say sales territory and purchase date. So that's another transformation, although this one is not important. So another important transformation is for the data. You need to transform your data to make sure the data type is date, so that you can be able to do other manipulations. So you can see here we can transform this to the date, which is already on the date, and convert that to the date again, just to make sure our data type is date. So we say date, and that is end of the demo. So summary of this demo. So today we have just done a bit of introduction on how to use a query editor in Power BI and how to transform the data. So there is a lot of transformation, but this was just quick introduction. So transformation here from the word transform. And this is a part of ETL, which stands for extraction, transformation, and loading. I will cover more into deep details, but this is just introduction topic of transformation of the data, especially when you are loading from the source, and sometimes the data might not be clean. So you want to transform it on the staging area, so that when you start working on this data, is going to be on the right order, and you can be able to apply measures very quickly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. share and comment.